fun, boys.
Have fun.
Storm in the castle. Okay.
And they're off.
They're off. 6 months.
All right, we're off. We're on the approach trail. We've left the lodge and everybody, and the van, of course. And I guess we're now following blue blazes. All right, it's really starting to rain now, and we get under some trees. It won't be so bad. I probably won't be recording as much. I won't have my phone out in the rain as much, but yeah, definitely feels weird to actually be on the trail. Though technically it's not the Appalachian Trail, it's the approach trail, and getting started with this undertaking. We're on an adventure, so yeah, pretty jazzed to actually be doing it, but it all still feels a little surreal. All right, 7.3 miles to go. All right, so let's go over a little bit of our drama-filled morning, and it's sort of self-inflicted drama. So, a couple of things. I actually had a bit of work I had to do, really only 10 minutes of my consulting work, and I'm sitting in the lodge, and I realized I forgot to bring, one is a thing called the dongle, which allows my software to work. And without it, the software does not work. And you can't just get one. I mean, the other thing was a hard drive that I had filled up, a 2 terabyte hard drive with all the files I needed. So I didn't have those, but that also meant I couldn't really do editing as video as much as I would like to, because all my templates and graphics and music and everything is on that hard drive. So I didn't put anything on my laptop. So that was a limit to what we could do. That was not that much of a problem because we're going to be 3 days off grid anyways, and we can arrange to get that stuff. When I realized I couldn't find my antibiotic pills, I still have like 10 or something I'm supposed to take, and that's kind of a more critical thing considering my illness right now, that I keep taking the antibiotics and let that try to work its magic. So a lot of struggles. Anyways, make a longer story short, that's all been, I did finally find my pills, so I was able to take my antibiotics, and I have them on me, and we got everything all squared away. It was a bit of a, yeah, kind of a, I think you just got so much on your mind when you're starting something like this that, you know, I just kind of forgot things, and yeah, feel a little stupid, but oh well, it'll all work out. So Vanish is actually going to drive the van back to my home just outside of Chattanooga and pick up the things I forgot. And yeah, also, if I can, a belt. Yeah, if I lose weight, these pants are going to be around my ankles. So there's that. We had a great breakfast at the lodge. All right, our first stream. All right, we are still on the approach trail. We've had periods of real rain showers or downpours, and then light rain. So yeah, that sucks a little bit, but otherwise it's okay. I think we're pretty all soaked through at this point. There's nothing that ain't wet, so we'll deal with that at some point. We're about halfway up. We've done over 3,000 feet of climbing, which is kind of a surprise. And I ain't gonna lie, it's kicking my ass, so it's tough, but we're making it. I just have to stop and rest every so often, and Eric's graciously allowing me to stop, so he's doing good, and yeah, we're both doing good. So yeah, we'll just keep plodding on. Yeah.
Oh, snake. Oh,
No, a skink.
lizard.
Yeah, whatever.
Our first reptile.
All right, we're just over halfway up, and still dying, but hanging in there. The weather has changed. We no longer got rain. We see even some brief moments of sun. Definitely getting some wind gusts, and yeah, but it's not bad right now. Definitely muddy. Had a couple of slips on the mud, but nothing too horrible. Oh, right. Another slip. You can tell when somebody slips. And yeah, so we just did one major up. Now we're going to do another down, then another up and another down, and the last big up where we climb up Springer Mountain. Assuming we can do it, that's where we're going. So a lot of places where we have to walk, basically a river runs through it. I don't know if it picks it up well in the video, but this is the trail. I get a lot of places along the AT are like this, but definitely very wet. All right, we're approaching Black Gap Shelter. We're not staying here, but I thought we'd just take a break. So we got a little lucky. Well, not totally lucky, because we had some, yeah, we had some nice weather, and then right before we were coming up the mountain, and it was all good. We were about a half hour maybe from getting at the top of Springer, and all of a sudden the skies opened up. We were able to set the tents up during a brief stop of the rain, but it's definitely pouring down now. And yeah, so yeah, the good news is we made it to the top of Springer. It's actually a pretty darn hard hike. Kind of surprising how hard it was. I knew it would be hard, but it was harder than I thought. And yeah, but we got it done. We're on the Appalachian Trail now. The approach trail is behind us, and so we're going to have better weather tomorrow. We hope so. We certainly had an interesting weather on day one. So it's raining a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean a lot. Alright, tonight's dinner is going to be this good to go smoked 3-bean chili. It's a vegan chili. Yeah, looking forward to it. So, using this cozy really helped. I had let this I took boiling water in, as it says to do, and let it sit for 20 minutes. And it's pretty cold out, but this kept it pretty hot.